Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Algolia, complete guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. Here, you will find options for various subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's the free trial or one of the paid options. After selecting your preferred plan, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Input your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Once your email and password are entered, look for the checkbox to agree to Algolia's terms of service and privacy policy. Check that box to confirm your agreement. Then, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Algolia. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Algolia. Click on the verification link in that email to verify your account. After verification, you will be redirected back to the Algolia website. You may now be prompted to fill out additional information, such as your name and company details. Complete all necessary fields to complete your profile setup. Once your profile is complete, you may have to choose a project type or set up an application. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your first project or configure your application. After setting up your project, you will be guided to your Algolia dashboard. Explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features and tools available. If required, set up your payment information through the billing section of the dashboard. Your subscription is now active, and you can start using Algolia's powerful search capabilities. Make sure to check the documentation or resources for further guidance on how to utilize Algolia effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.